years of age. HO or A#FLSA prohibit children under 16 years of age from controlling tractor engines above 20.
For weed control and maintenance of work areas, combine your tractor with a lawnmower.
Combine the bucket on your tractor. Do not drive the tractor into high lift, but try to always rest in the lane with the steering wheel so as not to drag the grass.
Weeding machines on tractor are used to plow plants. Weeding machines can make it easier to spirit dirt and help with planting.
Make sure the tractor has independent brakes. Be careful driving and use a manual for each step to make it safer.
Install each joint correctly. Follow safety precautions when attaching the tractor to the drain or otherwise. Ensure the area is safe and rewind the tractor slowly. Don't forget to put the transmission in neutral between the tractor and install the joint.